Alright, today we're going to multiply and divide rational expressions. So you have r squared x over 9t cubed times 3 t to the fourth over r. We're supposed to multiply it. So what we can do is we can cross multiply, we can find stuff to get rid of. What can I eliminate out of this?
R.
Okay, I can get rid of an r, which gets rid of one of those. I can get rid of the 3. Leaves me with 3 down here. What else? I can get rid of t cubed, and that leaves me with 1 right there. Do I have anything else I can get rid of? There's not another x. There's not an x on bottom anywhere. So I have left r, x, and t, and on bottom, what do I have left? 3.
Whoa, ow.
Alright, let's do a plus 4 over a squared times a over at plus 2a minus 8. Here's the first thing you gotta do. You gotta factor out, a squared plus 2a minus 8. What would multiply give you negative 8 and add to give you positive 2?
Negative 4 and 2.
A minus 2, a plus 4. Gotta be positive 4 because it would add to give you positive and multiply to give you negative. So your bigger number's gotta be positive. Which, by the way, you got to have an a plus 4 down here because there's an a plus 4 down there. So we can get rid of the a plus 4. I can get rid of an a. Is there anything else I can do? So on bottom I'm left with a times a minus 2, which I need to simplify. So I need to distribute the a, and my answer is 1 over a squared minus 2a. Any questions? A over B divided by C over D. When you're dividing fractions, okay, what you have to do is you have to multiply by the reciprocal. So I've changed C over D into D over C. Then I can multiply. Remember, that's the same thing as when we're dividing fractions. You can't divide fractions. Instead, you multiply by the reciprocal. So if they give you a division problem with radical expressions, you have to change the second number. It's always the second one, and you have to flip it into 25n over 12, and then just multiply, which then you're looking for stuff you can reduce. I can get rid of 4, take 4 out of 12 and get 3. I can take 5 out of 25 and get 5, and 5 out of 15 and get 3, and take n out. I'm left with 2 of those n's. So on top it's 1 over, and I've got 9n squared, and that would be my answer. You're right, there should be 5 on top. Sorry, I forgot. I wrote it up there and forgot. Any questions? Alright, we have 15y squared over 4x divided by 5y over 8x cubed. So I'm going to rewrite this, making it a multiplication problem, timesing by the reciprocal. Then I get rid of 5. I get 5 out of that, I get 3, get rid of a y, leaves me with 1 y. X would cancel out, I got 2 there, 1 there, give me 2 there. That gives me 2 x squared y. Or 6y x squared, same thing. We've got 2x plus 6 over x squared being divided by x plus 3. So really all I got to do is I got to change this to a multiplication problem, and I've got to make this 1 over x plus 3. Because really this is x plus 3 over 1. So when I flip it, I get 1 over x plus 3. Now I normally wouldn't have that there because it's redundant, but just for so you know why I did that. Then I need to split 2x plus 6 into 2 and then x plus 3. My x plus 3's would cancel. I'm left with 2 over x squared. Y minus 3 over y squared minus 10y plus 16 divided by y squared minus 9 over y minus 8. First thing I do is I rewrite this as a multiplication problem, timesing by the reciprocal. And then what I do is I break everything up I can. I'm gonna break up y squared minus 10y plus 16. What would multiply give me positive 16 and add to give me negative 10? -8 and -2. Good. And then I've got y minus 8 here. You obviously know y minus 8 has to be down here because it's up here, right? So that has to be one of them. Y squared minus 9. All right, we know that's the difference square, which is y minus 3 times y plus 3. And then I cancel what I can get rid of. Y minus 3 is to get rid of. Y minus 8 I can get rid of. I'm left with 1 on top. And on bottom, I've got y minus 2 and y plus 3. The book leaves it at that, so I guess you guys can too. Here's your homework assignment.